What's up? What's up, you guys? We're gonna do an oil change for a 2009 Toyota Sienna. Okay, this is how I do it. All right. All right, you guys. All right. You need your jack stands. Okay. These are the stuff that we need. You get this oil filter from Toyota. They're very cheap. I mean, practical, cheap, basically. And inside here, this box, you get this oil element filter and this breather plug, and also these two gaskets and O-rings. Okay. And you need your 64 mm 14 flats oil wrench, filter cap wrench, right? And you get a flathead screwdriver, ratchet, extension for the ratchet, and I'm gonna need this for torque because I got a small ratchet. Okay, and just a 14 mm thing as well, tool for the ratchet, and an oil crush washer for the drain plug. You can also get that from Toyota. It didn't come with this. You gotta get it separate. Okay, you gotta let the clerk know. And what else? A funnel and your 6 quarts of motor oil, synthetic 5W30. Like so. And your dipstick, oil dipstick. So, yeah, unscrew this. Need a breather plug. So, clean your oil drain plug and your this gasket, this washer. Clean it up. Take out this O-ring right here. We're gonna put the crush washer into the oil drain plug. Okay. The flat side, where the flat side is, and like so. Okay. Open this up. Get the smaller O-ring, and we'll put it back. It doesn't fit right now, but we'll put it back once we put this all back on. We'll lube it up first with the oil, but we're gonna use the new one. Okay. All right. Okay, let's get this breather plug out. Okay, we'll put our 64 mm 14 flat oil cap. Okay, like so. Okay. Give it a little tug. Okay. Put this in. Came off. And this is spring loaded, so you just unwind it. Careful, it's gonna gush out. Here's the oil filter inside. So here's the oil filter. Oops. And this is the new one. We'll replace this. Just take it out. Like so. Right there. Wipe your hands with a rag and clean this up. See, there's still oil in there. I'm gonna clean that up and put the new oil filter in. Okay? Just clean it up. Take out the O-ring. There's a little opening right here. You can just take out the O-ring. O-ring. Okay. Let's clean it up. Okay, so you just put this in. You put some oil in here. The small one. Okay. It back. Put the O-ring back to where you got it from. See that opening for the flathead? That's where you want to put this O-ring. Okay. Okay. Alright, you guys, make sure this crush washer from the drain plug for the oil drain plug comes out, because it got stuck in there. And I knew there was a washer, but you know, when I got the drain plug out, it didn't have it. So I knew there was one in there. But this is the old one. This is the new one that I've installed already inside. Okay, that brown one. All right, just be aware of that. If you got two of them in there, it's gonna leak. So you just want to make sure there's one crush washer for the drain plug, the oil drain plug. Okay. All right. This came off. Make sure the flat side is on to the flat side of this bolt, and just bolt it back in. Hand tight, and then torque wrench. Tighten it up with a cable. Tighten it up. So it's spring loaded, so we put that in there. You hand tighten it first.
And it's going to be spring loaded, okay? It's going to give a little resistance. Now if you hand tighten it already, as tight as you can be. Still going. Whee! Still going. Still going. Okay. Still going.
So we put this on. It's still going. And we put that on so it helps us grip it better. So wow, still going in there. It's spring loaded. Yeah, now you torque it to about 19.5 foot-pounds. Okay, until you hear the click. Oh yeah, they're ready. Yeah, that's 19. Put the O-ring right so. There you go. So we put this cap back on. You just screw, hand tighten it, screw it in there. Hand tighten, then torque it. About 9.5 foot-pounds. Okay. That's 19.5 foot-pounds. Now we put oil in it. Okay. Put our homemade funnel in there. It's amazing, this one screws right in there too. It's amazing. And here's our oil. Just slowly put oil in there. 5W30 motor oil, synthetic.
This is 5 quarts.
We'll put some 1 quart from here to there. Okay, makes it 6 quarts of oil. Okay, we need to check our oil. We set the van down out of the jacks, and then we're checking the oil right now. And I put 5 quarts in, and it's very low. Okay.